Okay, you're in Microsoft Excel and you want to stop your column headings being included in your sort. Show you what I mean. You can see that the column headings have moved down here. So we want to stop that happening. Now the reason why it is happening is because the data types in the column headings are the same as the data types in the rest of the data. So we have text, number, we have exactly the same in the actual records. So one thing you could do is change the data type. And if I put an apostrophe in front of these years, they become text. And then I'll no longer have this problem. Now, if you wanted to keep them as numeric, another thing you could do is just format the column headings so they appear distinct from the other records. So you could change the background color of the column headings. And then if I sort, you can see the column headings stay as they are. So that could be the background color of sales, or it could be that you make the text bold. Any format that makes it distinct from the other records will work. Now, if you don't want to do any of those things, then another thing you can do is just right click in your data, go to sort, and then custom sort. And then here you have the option to specify that your data has headers, and you can just choose the column you want to sort by.